thing. Avoid these costly mistakes with e-commerce. They will drain your profits. Number one is don't ship your products from Aliexpress. You guys need to use a reputable sourcing agent that's going to get the customers the product fast. You can't rely on 30 to 60 to 90 day shipping times. Your customers are your bread and butter. Number two, make sure you're selling products that solve a problem. Those are recession-proof type of products. Don't rely on trending products. Your business will die. Number three, make sure your website is optimized for conversions. What do I mean by that? I mean that when customers go to your website, they are actually going to buy the product and they're not going to leave your website. Number four, not setting up your ads correctly, okay? It's very easy to make a simple mistake with your ads that will cost you thousands on thousands of dollars. Make sure you learn how to set up your ads, how to read proper data like KPIs that will tell you if something is working or something is not working. And don't rely on agencies. That's how you'll end up losing a shit ton of money. Now that you got the most costly mistakes under your belt, don't make those mistakes. So stop wasting time and go make that money online, but do it fucking right. Let's go!